I'm a bit old-fashioned. When I have my afternoon tea, I need a sweet treat with it. And the best thing for me is a banana muffin. This banana streusel muffin combines the best of two worlds, soft muffin and crunchy streusel topping. This also goes perfect for breakfast, especially for those who have a sweet tooth. I'm going to start by making the streusel topping. I use rolled oats, add some brown sugar, and some flaked almonds, and a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Give it a whisk. Now I'll add some cold butter. And I'm going to use my hands to rub the mixture into the butter to create coarse crumbs. So my mixture is ready. I'm going to put this aside and start my cake batter. So I'm going to start by adding my sugar, half cup, then half cup soft butter, 3 bananas or about half cup mashed, and now I'm going to add my dry ingredients. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And last, a cup of flour, plain white flour. And now give it a quick stir. Careful not to overbeat because that'll make your batter dense. I've already lined my tin with muffin liners, and now I'm going to scoop out my batter into each cup. You want to fill up to 3/4 level. I'm going to sprinkle my streusel topping on top of each muffin. So I'm going to place this in my preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius, and they just need about 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. My muffins are now ready and they're baked just to perfection. Just going to give this a sprinkle of icing sugar. This is what my niece demands every time she comes home to visit me, and honestly, I can't blame her. Don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video and subscribe to India Food Network. I'm just gonna have a bite.